Hey everyone, Tyson Strands here, and welcome back to the Railway. And sorry I haven't been producing that many videos. I have been very busy the past few weeks. Like I said in my vlog, I've been busy with school. School started like 4 weeks ago, and we are doing good. I'm doing good. So, yeah. And, also, I've been practicing guitar. Brand new amplifier. Horde guitar. I'm getting like a Fender, I think. Like a $2,000 Fender. Anyways, yeah. Let me show you my old amp. That's my old amp. I play electric guitar. Guns N' Roses, stuff like that. So, let's go ahead and get started without further ado. Crank it up. By the way, let's turn that way. I have made some changes to the train. You'll see them. Tell me what they are in the comments below. I don't want to reveal them to you. I want you guys to see it. So we're starting out super duper slow at 50 miles an hour. It's all been normal, and then boom. There's the caboose. Something you rarely ever see. Now, you guys probably screaming through the thing, saying, "How did you get to couple that to that?" I added I added a new coupler onto the back a boxcar. So I added my awesome BNSF caboose. Here comes the old GP25 all rattling by. And there goes old freight coal hopper jig-jaggling, wig-waggling, and zigzaggling. Sorry, I just had to say that. Also, I'm probably going to start a new vlogs channel, so I'll announce that whenever that goes up. I like the cars with the metal wheels way better than I do with the plastic wheels. Sounds way more realistic. The wheels dragging along the rails. I'll shut up now if you want me to. Just let the train roll by. And there goes the caboose. Fall off the hill there. $75. Now we've taken it slow. Slow and steady. Oh, I think we've got a hitchhiker. Oh man. Oh, I think our hitchhiker fell off. Whoops, that must have been bad. Must have been hurt. Oh goodness. Oh, there he is, laying over there on the ground behind the tractor. Let's get. We don't want him to run over by that tractor. That would be bad. We wouldn't want that, would we? Let's speed up. 65 miles per Sorry, I did not leave a seat. The reason I don't do too long videos is because it takes a while to upload. Wonder where that cow's run off to. All that's there now is a couple of empty milk cartons. That's weird. Leave it down in the comments below if you spot them. Let's go in reverse. Crank it up. There we go. Not too fast now, or we'll deval. Just get the box. Why did I do that? Turn the camera just a tiny tad. There we go. I love the smell of model railroad in the morning. I love the smell of, well, I really should say evening, shouldn't I? It seems like it's slowing down. What is that? Oh, don't tell me you've derailed now. You have. I hate this little Wisconsin Central car. I'm fixing to replace it. And away it goes. Do. Oh, sun just fell. Move the camera slightly up. There we go. Alright, so I think this should cut it out for the day. Thank you for watching, everyone, and hopefully you had a good time. I know I did. I enjoyed the company. Thank you very much for watching. Consider leaving a like or even just commenting. That really just helps out. Your feedback is really important to me. Yes, thank you guys for watching once more, and cheers everyone.